Hello beautiful guys, welcome back to my channel Fashion Fables. Today we got a treat for all the out there. We are living in the world of women haircuts. If you are ready to elevate your style game in 22, your right place. Before we jump, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and ring the notification bell to show update on all things beauty and fashion. Number 1, classic with a twist. Let's kick things off with timeless off-forward classic haircuts with a modern twist. Or expert or stylish have created a collection that take the best of the past and it with the latest trends. Whether it a bob, pick a long layers. We, we very got the inside scope in how to make these cases pop in 2024. Number 2, Eddie and Bolly style. For all the fearless fashions out there, get ready to turn heads with the next time segments on Eddie and Bolly styles. From undercut picks, these cuts are about making segment. We'll also share tip how to maintain that edge and keep your look fresh. Number 3, effortless chic haircuts. Now let's talk about these chic, effortlessly cool haircuts and seem to radiate confidence. Low maintain does not compromising on style. Will guide you through some fashion fables. Option that will have you looking put together with minimal effort. Number 4, styling tip and tricks. Of course, it's not just about the cut, it's also about how you to style. In this segment, your styling expert will share their top tips and tricks to enough your haircuts. From the right products to the perfect tools, we very good you are covered. And there you have it. Tour of the hottest women haircuts in 2024. We hope you found some inspiration for your next salon visit. Which style are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Share it with your fashion forward friends and subscribe for more beauty and style content. Until next time, stay fabulous.